Just doing. So what's the highest exponent?
1.
1, so it's going to be a what? You got to flip back and forth.
Constant.
No. No.
Linear. Oh, it's gonna be linear.
Linear? What? How many terms are there?
It's a binomial.
Linear binomial. There's 1 term, 2 terms. Okay, what about the next one? What's the highest exponent?
Cubic. 3.
It's going to be to the third. So the degree is going to be 3. So it's going to be a cubic. What?
Binomial.
Binomial. There's 2 pieces. 1, 2. So it's going to be a binomial. Okay, look at 5. What's the highest exponent?
4.
4. So it's going to be a what? Quartic.
And a polynomial.
And then the number of pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's got 5 pieces to it. What's it going to be?
Polynomial.
Polynomial. Okay, the next one, say, write the following polynomials in standard form. What's the 2 things you need for standard form?
ABC order.
ABC order.
And biggest little.
Big to little for the exponents. So what is the biggest exponent up here?
3.
No,
4.
to the 4th. So this one we know is going to write first. So 3y to the 4th. What goes next?
2y.
2y to the 3rd.
Y to the 2nd.
Y to the 2nd.
Y 7 to the y.
It's going to be negative 7y
Oh, yeah. And then minus 4.
minus 4. Okay, look at the next one. What's the highest exponent? 2. So which one are we going to do first? The negative 2b or the 7a?
7a to the
Yep, so it's going to be 7a to the 2. Then what comes next?
minus 2b squared
Minus 2b squared
plus 5ab.
plus 5ab.
Time going by quick.
Cross off. Well, we can look at it. What is this called? On number 8, it says x to the, and they're pointed to that little 2. What's it called?
It's called a degree. Exponent. Power. The 2?
Mm-hmm.
It's called a, hold on, I know what it's called. A quadratic. Okay, I don't know.
So, no, that's one of all 4 of those. We call it an exponent, don't we?
A cubic.
You be quiet.
That's a 3. Cubic is 3.
So we do. We call it a quadratic. Some people call it squared. Some people call it an exponent. What they're wanting to know, the new words you learned today, which would be degree. Okay, that's another word for exponent. Okay, and I'm going to do just this middle row. So, look at 5. What is the highest exponent? Huh?
2.
So we're looking at the baby numbers.
Oh.
So we got a 2, a 1, and nothing.
Okay. It's going to be the 2.
It's the 2. So look on your other chart. And what is a 2? A degree of 2 is a what?
Quadratic.
A quadratic. And then how many pieces are there?
3.
There are 3.
It's a trinomial.
Trinomial. Okay, how many answers should all of these have?
2.
2. Okay, they all need to have 2 other than 8, which is why I did 8 on the thing. Okay, so look at number 2. What's the highest exponent?
4x squared.
Squared. Ain't no 4x. We're just looking at the squared. So it's going to be squared, so it's going to be a what?
Quadratic.
Quadratic.
And binomial.
And it's got 1, 2 pieces, so it's going to be a binomial. Okay, so you don't get confused. I would either do the standard form ones, and then these number of term ones, or do all the number of term ones, and then do the other ones right in an ABC order. Okay? And unfortunately, you're going to have to flip back and forth, back and forth. Jane, I need a paper today.
Huh?